Hey guys, Dave here with a quick video. In this video I just want to show you what you can achieve using the training inside Ministry of Freedom, and I'm going to tell you which modules I'm actually using on a daily basis to make commissions on Warrior Plus, which I'm going to show you those in a minute. If you want to see a full review, you can watch the one video below this one where Jono's going to run you through this whole membership area, Facebook group, and I'll explain a few other things, but this is not the purpose of this video. It's just going to show you I'm using this organic module, or it's actually this Launchjacking module, which teaches you from the ground up how to do a proper Launchjacking campaign. I'm also using this paid traffic. Now this, Jono spent $70,000 on this to put this training together, and he's constantly upgrading this, tweaking it, that kind of stuff. And it provides you with absolutely everything you need. So the videos, the ads, everything you need to get started making money as soon as possible. So this is my Warrior Plus account, that's me. This is what's been happening. Nothing today. Yesterday $231, last 7 days $937. Over the last 30 days, 6,912. So this is all achievable simply by using, well, mainly it's been these two modules. Yep. If you, let's get rid of that. If you want more proof that this works for anyone really, you can head over to the Ministry of Freedom Achievers group, where people post their screenshots of their earnings. Here's a member, Cynthia Benitez, 2,451 in 30 days, 1,337 in 7 days. Scroll further down, Ugonna Udunwa, 316 a day, 878 in 1 week. This Cynthia Benitez again, 4,892. These guys, it's all real stuff. This is what you can achieve with Ministry of Freedom. Below this video is a link to get access to this training if you want to get that, and you can also join this Facebook group as well. And if you want to start making money like this, pretty much it's the only program I know that can help you make money faster than anything out there. So if you want to grab this, simply click the link below this video, and I'll see you inside the members area.